नमस्कार दोस्तों, क्लास 10th की मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर 10 सर्कल्स के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 10.2 है, जिसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यू कैन सी दैट इज फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट Q द लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू ए सर्कल इज 24 सेंटीमीटर and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is. तो दोस्तों इसका आंसर होगा 7 सेंटीमीटर। कैसे होगा?
From a point Q, let us Q is a point outside of the circle and length of the tangent to a circle is 24. So let us this QP, otherwise PQ is a tangent of a circle and the length is given that 24 centimeter and distance of Q from the center is 25. This is the center of the circle and this one is a point Q. This is given that 25 centimeter. Then find the radius of this circle. So everybody know that tangents is perpendicular to the radius. It means this angle is 90 and if this angle is 90 degree then 100% OQ is a hypotenuse and if this is a hypotenuse then we can use here Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle OPQ. So we write in right triangle OPQ by Pythagoras theorem we know that hypotenuse square, that is OQ square, equal to PQ square plus OP square, means OP square plus PQ square. Now substitute all value. OQ is given that 25, so 25 centimeter whole square equal to OP is same to same because this is required and plus PQ is given that 24 centimeter whole square and you know how what is the square of 25 centimeter 125 centimeter square equal to OP square and this one 5 centimeter square, correct. And now transpose this to left side. 625 centimeter square minus 576 centimeter square equal to OP square. So remainder 49 centimeter square. बिल्कुल सही बताया. 49 centimeter square equal to OP square and hence you can say that OP equal to 7 centimeter and here once again you will not take here plus minus 7 because this is the radius. So you will take only 7 centimeters.
In the given figure, if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ equal to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to. So the answer of this question is 70 degree. But how can we find the solution? Now see here.
यहाँ पे देखिए this angle is given that 110 degree. Okay, and this is T. This one is O and PQ. This point is P. This point is Q. अब आप देखो यहाँ पे ये एंगल आपसे पूछ रखा है. You know very well. This is a quadrilateral. है ना? तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है और यहाँ पे ये टेंजेंट्स हैं इक्वल भी होंगे. बिल्कुल सही, दोनों तरीके से आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. If these two sides are equal, then you can say that this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. And then let us this is x, so you can say that x plus 110 equal to 180 degree, and that is x equal to 180 degree minus 110. So you can say that this is 70 degree. Otherwise you know the property of quadrilateral, that is sum of all angles, because this is 90, this one is 90 So you can say that 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 110 degree plus x degree equal to 360 degree. So you know that 90 90 180 180 and 10 290 हो गया आपका टोटल. तो ये 290 डिग्री प्लस x डिग्री इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री and hence you can say that 360 degree minus 290 degree, so it is again 70 degree. So you can find the answer of this question in two ways. Either you can subtract 180 minus 10, that is this is 70 degree. Otherwise by angle sum property in the quadrilateral, sum of all angles equal to 360 degree, and you know that already that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So this one is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree, and this one is, so sum of all angles equal to 360 degree, and hence you can find that x equal to 70 degree.
Exercise: if tangent A and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other an angle of 80 degree, then angle PO is equal to. So the answer of this question is 50 degree. But how? Now we can see the solution of this question. You know that this is a quadrilateral, okay, and if we join this P to O, then we will get it right angle triangle PAO, and in this triangle you know that tangent is already perpendicular to the radius, so this angle is 90 degree, and this is the angle bisector of angle APB. So this one angle is, top angle is 40 degree. You can see just now this angle is 40 degree and this one angle is 90 degree, so that we can find this angle how much. You know the angle sum property in a triangle, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So you know that 40 degree plus 90 degree, and let us, if this angle is x, so we can say that this is 180 degree. And now x equal to, dear, how much? 180 degree, and 90 plus 40 is 30, so 130 degree. So if you subtract 180 to 130, then you will get the result is 50 degree. So 50 degree is the answer of this question. And you can see that the solution, the proper solution of this question, just like that, it is here. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you so much.